This week's featured listing is at 9306 Spyglass Court here in Pecan Plantation. There is so much to this house. I can't wait to show it to you. Stay tuned. Okay, this is a custom-built Will Steed home. It has 4 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, and it has a full 3-car garage. This is the exterior of the main home, but let's get started. Well, first of all, let me show you. We're on almost an acre. So there is plenty of room behind this fence right here for you to run your dogs. There's fence on both sides. This is a pool house that has been a recent addition, and it's awesome. This pool house is 516 square feet. It is fantastic in here. It's got these beautiful wall of windows. This is a Murphy bed that conveys. There's a closet over there. Here is a kitchenette, and there is a full bath shower over here with the door that goes straight out to the pool. There's a beautiful area over here for sunning. This is AstroTurf, gigantic in-ground gunite pool with a spa. Look at this outdoor living area, complete with a television, a sink, a refrigerator. This furniture conveys. It's outstanding. I want to take you into the main house. And if you need 2 cooking areas, here's another cooking area with another outdoor fireplace. Just awesome. This home has been recently painted on the inside. So what we're in right now is the wide open living room with fresh paint. You've got the gas fireplace. You've got this beautiful kitchen. This is going to be a cook's dream. You've got a prep kitchen sink over here. You've got the main sink over here. Got an ice maker. This is the formal dining area. We've got another half bath. On this side of the home, you've got a laundry room with a full 3-car garage. This laundry room is gigantic, and it's got a sink in it. Upstairs is a gigantic bonus room, and it's got a full bath. We've got 2 bedrooms over here with the Jack and Jill bathroom. And then let me get up here, and I want to show you the master ensuite, which is gorgeous. Isn't this outstanding? Large, oversized master, plenty of room for a seating area. And then we've got this fantastic master bathroom. It's just outstanding. Also, right when you come into the front of the home is this office with French doors. Let me give you a quick look of what the front of the house looks like. Gigantic yard. And here's the front of the house. Isn't that fantastic? If you would like to see more of this home or would like a private tour, reach out to me. I'd love to show it to you. Thanks for watching.